Senator Mark Villar is under investigation by the Department of Justice over alleged irregularities in government contracts linked to his family. The probe also includes other officials as authorities dig into possible corruption in public projects. Our Luisa Erispe tells us more.
Senator Mark Villar is now one of the persons of interest being investigated by the Department of Justice or DOJ in connection with anomalous government projects. Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla himself found prohibited interest on the senator after discovering that projects in Las Piñas worth 18.5 billion pesos were awarded to his cousin.
Iniimbestigahan na rin po ngayon si Senator Mark Villar.
Oh, because of that prohibited interest with his cousin being the contractor in Las Piñas.
Mga sir, gaano karami?
18 billion worth of projects. Billion. 18.5 ang sabi sa report. But we have to flesh it out. Kasi we can't rely on a newspaper as a source of evidence. It's just a media gives us the leads we have to follow.
Based on initial information, these contracts were awarded to the senator's cousin when he was still the secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways. And DOJ sees not only prohibited but familial interest behind this contract. Due to this, other public officials of the Villar family, namely former Senator Cynthia and current Senator Camille, may also be included in the investigation. During Mark's term as secretary, way back 2016 to 2021, Cynthia was sitting as senator and Camille was a representative.
They're related interest. Isa lang sila interest nila. Isang relationship lang yan. Diba? Isang family lang yan.
Even Congresswoman
First degree of consanguinity. To the fourth degree of consanguinity. Diba? Or third degree pa. From Cynthia to the contractor's third degree. Kasama rin yan. That prohibited interest, it really has to stop. Well, isa lang yan. Marami yan. It's all over the Philippines. People know it.
Aside from anomalous flood control projects, other infrastructure projects may be included in the list of anomalous contracts. The DOJ is digging into this one by one.
Lahat ng klaseng project yan. Whatever, ano maisip mo, yun na yun. Kasama yan, lahat in the menu. From school buildings to roads to asphalt overlay to revetments, lahat yan kasama yan.
The Villar family has yet to comment on Remulla's statement, but the Justice Secretary said they will ask the Villar family to explain themselves to the DOJ as part of the investigation. Meanwhile, the DOJ believes there are about 100 to 200 individuals involved in these anomalous projects, and there are about 67 contractors or lawmakers involved.
You have more than 100 people to 200 people involved. Mahigit 200 tao po ang involved dito sa buong Pilipinas. Baka hindi lang.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.